Okay, it's been a while since I streamed, so I apologize ahead of time. Gonna play Captain of Industry today. Gonna start a new map, Shattered Isles. Maybe. Oh, I guess I gotta hit next. Yeah. We'll go Captain. Put these on. Realism. That's good. Launch this. I should have probably loaded up the game already. Oh well. Okie dokie. So it's got a nice tutorial. We haven't played before, which is great. Alright, so we need the coal maker. Alright, I'll put it right here for now. We don't have storage yet, right? So just that. And smokestack. And then we need our tree harvester. Assign 2 trucks to that. And then we'll have to start cutting down some trees. Probably, let's go ahead and clear by our iron there. Start with that. Okay, and then blast furnace farm. Okay. So go ahead and put our first blast furnace. Okay, this is our ramp up, so I'm gonna go and line up with this a little bit. Gotta give some room. Alright, that's good. And then metal caster. 2 of these. Oh, you know what? I should have done that first. Alright, let's go ahead and put it here. What the heck is this? Okay. Anyways. What was I doing? Back to metal caster. Gonna kind of keep in line with this. Right there, and we need a blast furnace. Should be enough space. Okay, then we need molten. Connect there. And there. Need our smokestack. Okay, we don't have any transport yet, so we do need to build a farm. So that's the way up. I'm kind of line it up with this for now. Maybe I should go forward a little bit. Alright, so we'll build that there. Can we build anything? I'm gonna need this. We'll go ahead and hit play, so they start building that. I'm gonna put yeah, I'm gonna put that right there. So this should be enough to start. Okay, we got the smokestack we know about. Waste collection. Put that there. Should have enough building materials to get all this stuff started. I think this is... I'll leave a little bit more room like that. We got pipes which we haven't used yet. Let's see, what all do we have? Yeah, we don't have storage yet, so... Okay. Oh, that's right, I don't even have... So let's start with scrap. Build coal maker. Yeah, it's working on that. Oh, we don't even have assemblies yet. So I've built everything I can at the moment. Except that we have to go through this tutorial. Alright, we'll go and speed it up a bit. So right now it's inefficient because we have to have our trucks carry from there to here the iron scrap. Okay, we gotta wait on this to get built, the farm, and then we need that to get built. And then this is abandoned, so we start taking materials from here. I think there's oil over here, sand, water, limestone, copper, coal, and then water here. Oh. Alright, so now we're gonna wait on, oh, and there's no seasonal or, yeah, so it's just baked potatoes. We got that. Just speed it up because we've got to wait for production and we can't do anything to... Oh wait, duh, I should start researching. Oh, we're speeding along here, waiting. Okay, iron production, first step is done. Okay, we're researching construction. Okay, and then with the research trading, we need designated dumping for a zone. Dumping destination. Put it in this corner over here. We can make a nice ramp up here. No, that's not. Let's go back to flat. We'll make this flat. Okay, then we can do our downwards. I think. Let's start down here, I guess. Switch back to this. Okay, and then we can go flat. That's gonna go higher than that though, isn't it? Oh, I should probably make that 1.2. Oops. Ah, look, wouldn't let that play. There we go. Alright. So, that's... No, no, no. Gosh dang it. What am I doing? Oh, that's because I deleted these. Duh. Alright. So there we go. 1.2. That'll bring us down, head around. Okay. This should be enough to get us started. Alright. Go ahead and speed up. We gotta wait for potatoes, research construction, dump 20 waste. And we're making some iron. Oh, duh. Food production's done. Still gotta wait on construction, then trading dock, and then dump waste. And we don't have any storage yet, so we're just kind of stuck watching this go by for a minute. Oh, you know what? I should clear some more trees over here, actually. So when we expand our, deselect some of these. No, I need those out too. Alright, anyways. Alright, so construction's done, so we'll go ahead and research, trading dock. You know what, I wanna see, 44 workers, 73 houses. I'm gonna go ahead and build another, oh, we start assembling. Maybe I should hold off on the other research, but it's always nice to have 2 research going. Alright, so, build assembly. Where should we build this? This is our road coming in. Plenty of space over here. This will be our mining and ore sorting. Maybe parallel or along this road here that they've kind of made. I'll switch that around. Let's put it by the, no, I kind of want to leave this area free for housing and stuff. Alright, so, ore sorting, mining. And road. Yeah, we'll go ahead and put it here for now. Okay, build assembly, and probably want to start making this first. I think that's what they want us to make first. Obviously, we need to make the other stuff too. Okay, waste dumping's done. We gotta make the assembly here. Captain of Industry? Okay, so that was all that stuff we can now do. Build assembly, research trading dock. Alright, we got enough. I'm gonna go ahead and with another over here. Oops, what did I do? Oh, it's too close. And then we'll start making the mechanical parts and electronics. Okay, and then we gotta build. Oh, we can finally do the storage. Nice. So I put that. I'm gonna run out of construction materials here. And we got trading dock. We gotta place this. Thinking here, if I can find. I guess I can go there. Alright, so that's that. Really want another research going. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and build another research facility. You always delete it if we have to. So we gotta reduce 8 construction parts, building trading dock. Oh, you know what? I need some storage over here too. Oh, it's called Captain of Industry. Okay, at least one for wood now. They're taking the coal right to the iron, so I don't really need that. Okay, construction parts is done. We're okay on electricity. Research maintenance, produce maintenance. Okay. So we're all caught up on what we need to be doing. Honestly, this needs to get moved over here. Okay. Alright, so trading dock is done, and maintenance, we can build that now. What do we want to research next? Probably vehicles here. Okay, where should we put our maintenance? Thinking down here. Yeah, I'm just gonna back it off their road right there. Okay, so that's the way up right here that they take. They kind of travel. Yeah, I'll go ahead and put it right here. Alright, so maintenance depot, we gotta build that. We're gonna run out of construction materials for sure. Let's see if we can get the storage going too. Alright, perfect. Wait, I thought I assigned. Oh, it's not making it yet, so it doesn't show it on there. So we got our one iron plant going. Alright, so then we gotta trade. Give me a second. Here, let me see real quick. Total 229 hours playtime, but I'm not an expert, so I'm gonna make some mistakes. So, because I like to get so far, then restart, and so yeah. But it's a pretty fun game. City builder, resource management. Oh yeah, purchase. Oh, that's our home. Okay. Alright, so we need to trade that. I'm also gonna... Oh, I don't have enough wood yet. Okay. So that's done. And there, yeah, we're taking our scrap from there. Okay, we got our maintenance. And that takes electronic parts and mechanical parts. Yeah, and our vehicles are very busy. I'm surprised I don't have another one of these yet. Okay, there's that. Workers and Resources Silver. I had that game. I haven't played much of that one. It looks fun. I just haven't gotten into it yet. So now we need to build a vehicle depot, small excavator. Okay, so we can enable that for mining, research beacon. Okay. So we need beacon for now. And then we need a vehicle depot. So we start mining. Okay, this. Yeah. I don't like blocking the roads, but that should be okay. Maybe they can make new ones. It's just... Okay, so that's that. Wait for that to get built. Set recipe for iron. And then we'll move that up once we're mining. Okay, good. I am researching beacon. I'm gonna run out of construction materials. Oh, I need to get this built too before I build another housing. Alright, let's enable our layer. Where do I want to put this? I'll put it right here. We need a ore sorting plant. I still want to be too close to this one, kind of spread out, but I don't want to be super close to that. Alright, so we'll put that there. Research beacon. We're gonna need more housing. Process iron ore. Okay, we gotta wait on this to get built first. Probably want at least one more tree harvester. I would speed up a little bit. Alright, and then they want me to build a small excavator and 2 trucks. Okay, and then our beacon's done. Is there anything we have to research? Not yet. Okay, so let's go ahead and get, do I want concrete or diesel first? I can always trade for... I'm gonna go ahead and get this diesel one done first. Alright, so we're building that. Oh, and then we got the mine control tower. Yeah, our port trucks are extremely busy. Okay, loose storage, we can build that now. We need to build a beacon. So we can get some new settlers. Or refugees, I think it says. So we need to watch our concrete, or our cement blocks, or, oh, okay. So this, I guess I built this a little prematurely. Alright, iron ore, rocks, and dirt for now. And then while we're here, we'll go ahead and start the mining designation. That should be enough for now. It's a factory automation game, so like you take your iron here, which will take 30 iron and 12 coal or scrap, and then you it's like math. You have to kind of figure out what you need for your so you get that, and then this one takes 1 rubber and 6 copper for 6 electronic parts. So you just gotta kind of figure out, and you'll see if I mess up, we'll start getting short on things. Yeah, this game's mostly just a cycle of doom spikes. Okay. I don't think we have enough construction parts right now for no. Well, we're gonna need this anyway, so I'm gonna put that there. So for construction parts, we need 4.5 iron, 4.5 wood, and 6 concrete. So I wonder if we can put another one. So we should be producing enough iron. Not producing concrete yet. And then we probably need to and this will be another yeah, we gotta build vehicle parts too. Right now we just have a surplus of stuff to use. Lower the priority of this because I would rather get construction materials going first. That's the 2 and this the 3. So our maintenance is building up. We have like no wood. 10 wood. We need another tree harvester. So we'll build that. Okay, so we do have an excavator now, so that's good. We can start mining. 1 excavator, 2 pickups to it. I think that's the right ratio. That's what it suggests. Let's see. 6 bucket load. Yeah, we're building pickups, process iron ore. Okay, so the beacon's done. Yeah, we get 14. Oh, good. So diesel's done. We'll go and get concrete going. I'm not going to build any of this yet because I need the construction materials to do that. I don't even have mechanical parts on here yet, do I? Potatoes down here. Reorganize this a little bit. What don't I have on here? Oh yeah, mechanical parts and electronic parts. Or just electronics. Okay, I want to pin that and that. So we need to keep an eye on these two. Not right now, exactly, but... Okay. If we don't get some trees, we don't get some wood coming in, we're going to be in trouble. I should have enough marked. That one. Yeah. Let's speed that up a little bit. Oh yeah, we only have 1 free worker right now. Gonna need some storage for a farm, but it's not a priority. Hey, what's going on, Gabe Star? Alright. It's nice because they'll bring you materials too. We still have free housing, so it's okay. That went by quick. Alright, iron's done. Alright, so we got concrete. Probably need copper first. Yeah, we'll go ahead and research copper. Gonna need to build this. Oh, that's part of the tutorial too, isn't it? We don't see it yet. Process, store iron. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna need this. How much water does it take? 6, okay. And then this will give us, I think, 30? Well, I can hold 30. Just gonna build the... Let me figure out where I'm gonna put the kiln first, I guess. This is gonna be iron. This is our construction. Go ahead and put it... It's our road. Gonna need storage. Right here's good. Clean green screen. My yeah, thank you. I try to make it as best I can, but I've used OBS and just the chroma key for green, and then tweaking that, and then I got an Elgato green screen. I'm not facing a wall, so I kind of got to do that. Okay, so we got another tree harvester going. Need to assign. Two trucks to that. Slow this down a little bit. Alright, so that's done. We got copper going. Delete this. Gotta build the housing. And then rainwater. Pop that back there. But, well, I guess we're getting enough construction materials coming in. Thank you, I appreciate it. Still have free housing, so that's not a priority. Gonna want another excavator. New refugees! Okay, so... iron... housing... Okay, so we got some mining going on. That's the best part of this game, is the terrain. As you see, we'll clear this out, and then probably have to make a passage through the mountains over here, so we can eventually build something to get over to this island. Okay, good. We're getting some more wood now. That's good. Probably want to trade for some more concrete blocks. That should be enough. So we have iron in here. Let's go ahead and switch this over to... So let's start doing that so we can get this one checked off. Oh geez, I gotta hook this up. Pipe. I don't think they need to get through here, but in case they do, pipes are easy too, so let's raise this up. Okay, so that'll get built. We'll get our rainwater. And we don't have the belts yet, so don't have to truck in the coal and the limestone. But we're not making those yet. Well, we're making coal, the limestone, so we might as well just pause this. Yeah, I guess that wasn't a priority. Okay, so copper's done. Probably... I don't ever use these ramps. I guess we'll just go ahead and get rubber done. So when we do get oil going, we can get rubber. So yeah, I'm gonna need when I get this excavator done, I'll send that for coal or limestone. Probably coal first. Copper. Yeah, we'll be able to build copper in a bit. Mind control. Table. Thanks. ore sorting plant there. Coal, dirt, and rock. Oh god, we have no construction materials, so that's gonna take a while. I want to do this one first, and then this one. We still have free housing, but we're gonna need to make this a priority soon. Let's bump that back to default. We got 2 going. Oh, still waiting on products. Because this will be construction materials and 1 of each of these. We'll need vehicle parts soon, but it's not a priority. Yeah, our trucks are extremely busy. This probably could have waited. Oh well. We don't have any water in it yet anyways. So make sure we have tons of trees to be cut down. It's paused. Build a few more trucks. Hey, new refugees. Okay, that's okay. That's still getting built, so might as well put it on this one so we're just have extra for now. Okay, and then rubber is done, so we'll go ahead and I don't know if I want to get we'll go ahead and get these tools so we can copy our pattern over to somewhere else. So we got 69 months of food left. That's gonna go down once we get this build. Okay, we're okay on everything right now. Oh, I want to make sure this keeps empty too. Oops. So that's kind of important because once we get the ship repaired, we'll be able to start going and exploring these places and bringing back resources. Yes, that was done. Should have just... Alright, and then we'll need the captain's office for edicts. Search. Doing okay in electricity, but we will eventually want to build another generator for now. Okay. Power. We're going to go ahead and bump this down to 10. Okay, we're almost done with the iron ore processing. And this one would... so we should probably make this a priority. So we can move on to the other things. Oh yeah, the trucks are extremely busy, so that's why things aren't moving as fast as I'd like. Okay, so we've got more refugees. If I can click on it, hooray! So we're about full. We got 13 houses, free housing left. So we'll have all construction materials going here, so we can get that done. I'm okay on rubber and vehicle. Well, no, I'm out of vehicle parts. But I'm not gonna build that quite yet, because we'll get some when we explore. Oh, we've been having dumping the slag? Yeah, we've been dumping that, right? Okay. Alright, it's getting built. We'll leave this on 3 for now. Probably want to mine coal first. Oh, that's built. Nice. Okay. So, how are we doing on iron? Yeah, we're getting pretty full on iron, because nothing's taking it, really. So, pop that off there. Let's go get some coal started. Okay. Oh. Duh, I didn't put a mine. Okay, let's enable our layer. Okay. Alright, so they'll start doing that. But until this is built, they'll have to bring it all the way over here. Which, this is all full of iron, so... Alright, so... that's done. Gotta build this. Okay, so yeah, this is our next one right here. We gotta do limestone mine and produce concrete. But we have no construction materials. Do want to trade for some more. I guess we're okay on that right now. I'll wait, because we're not getting a ton of wood in yet. Okay, so... oh god, I don't have any research going. Terrain leveling, ship repair. I guess we'll go ahead and get that one done too. Okay, then we can enable fast mode again. Oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, we don't have any housing. That's almost done. Well, halfway done. What's going... there's nothing I can do about it. It's getting built, people. So that one... this... I'm researching that. Go ahead and delete this. Yeah, where do we get these vehicle parts from? Oh, we have it on there, I see. Oh, it must have been from the refugees. Alright, so we're not gonna be able to build all this, but I'll go ahead and get that started. We need to watch our concrete blocks right now, because we're going through a lot of those for the construction materials. Yeah, we got no iron. Yeah, it's getting delivered over here, isn't it? Not yet. Okay. Oh, so housing got built. Cool. So we need to, whoops, I didn't want to do that. Do this. Go into research. Go ahead and get this. Let's go and get the ship dock repair done first. So yeah, this is gonna wait a minute. Oh yeah, here we go. Yep, diesel's next. We gotta wait on our construction materials to build up again. Starting to dump stuff over here. Can't build that yet. That'll be another way to get up to this area. Yeah, I built this prematurely. Oh well. Where are they picking the coal? Oh, they must be taking it straight to the blast furnace, I guess. So I don't see it in here yet. Okay, good. So we're kind of stabilized on our vehicles at the moment. Gosh, I got another excavator done. I didn't even realize. Should we put it on coal for now? You know what? We're gonna cancel this. Let's go ahead and get a mine control. Where's limestone? Over here? Yeah, that's closest. All the way over here. Alright, so we'll go ahead and put it here. I want to put it here. I edit this area though. This over here for now. Net mining. Enable my overview again. Alright, so then we'll get the excavator on that when that's built, and then we'll make this priority. And then we need the so here's copper, there's coal, and here's limestone. Let's go ahead and put this in the middle. So they can all kind of reach it. Got sand there too. Oops, wrong way. Put it right here. It's gonna be a 6. So that way we can get that. Did I assign that? No, I might as well leave it there for a second. Trucks are getting busy. So we'll get the concrete production going first, then we'll do our diesel. Let's speed it up. Okay, got some more refugees. We're okay in housing. Alright, ship dock repairs done. Go ahead and get this one going. This is priority, but the trucks are busy, so that's why it's not getting built. Plus it's far away. Oh, what the heck? Why would you build that first? I need coal, copper, and limestone, plus rocks and dirt. That makes no sense. This is your priority. Build this first. I have nothing to put in there. Well, I guess I can put the coal in there, so it's okay, I guess. Yeah, so we're out of vehicle parts for the moment. Oh gosh dang it, they're building this already. That's okay. Oh, we did get all those trucks built though, so that should help a little bit. So we'll hold off on the vehicle production for now. Oh, okay. We'll go ahead and pause the beacon, it says too. We're gonna need storage for this. Storage. Here we go. Where I want it? Yeah. Maybe they built it. Yay, they did. Okay. So get that going. So we got one on iron, coal, and limestone. Cool. Yeah, I'm taking care of the farm thing. This is done. Limestone, concrete. Okay. Okay. Alright, so is this getting built? Yeah, that's built. Nice. So get that stuff to start in. Nothing I can do. Barely have any wood. We have enough concrete blocks for now, though. That's usually what I like to trade, so I usually have a surplus of wood. Okay. Okay. Let's go and do this while we're here. That's our first one. And second. So yeah, you know. So this will stay paused until it's like a need for electricity over the 800 that this one produces. That way they're not both going and wasting gas. Still got our coal maker until we get a surplus of coal. Okay, I think that one's going to limestone. Okay. Oh, they're dumping. Yeah, that's right. That's the only problem, so you gotta dump all the way over there. Eventually we'll get the conveyor belts. Is that with construction too? No, but oh, okay, we don't need advanced concrete, so we're not making that yet. We do need fuel station. We need all this really, but we'll go ahead and need the conveyor belts. That's what I like about having 2 research starts to get you there quicker. That way you're ready. Yeah, we have no wood. It's all going to construction materials. Which is okay because this is obsolete as soon as we have more coal coming in. Once we have enough limestone, we'll start concrete block production. We're gonna need more iron going too. But we're limited by how many construction materials we have. But we might have enough. Because we need more than this, obviously. So that's, we're putting out 24 iron sheets or ingots or whatever right now, and we need 7.5 plus so what, 16.5. So we're still doing okay, I guess, on that. But when we double this one up, we'll need more. So I guess we're okay in iron. It's eventually going to be a priority, but right now, maybe, well, besides getting concrete and diesel, we'll get copper going. 92 maintenance. But we should be producing more iron than we're using. So I don't know why this is red. I want to get copper going, but let's go ahead and get this. So I'm gonna pause that. See if we can get some products coming out. We just gotta produce 8. And then... oh yeah, we gotta get diesel going. Okay. I'm gonna pause it for a second here. So we need 60 oil, so we need 3 of these pumps. Just for now. I don't want to put them on this level part. Oops, that was one too many. So we'll have our 3 that goes into our 1 distiller for now. I got a plan for the future because this will change. We'll have different distillation process. Eventually level this out so we have some more space down here, I think. I'm just gonna stick this up here for now. But the problem with if it's not level is it blocks these outputs for the pipes. Let's see if this causes a problem being here. Let's go ahead and grab our pipe. Yeah, it connects, okay. Go ahead and put our smokestack. And then throughput on this pipe is 60, which is okay, because that's all we really need at the moment. Because they'll still provide 60 to 60, so that's fine. Connect this all up. That connected, okay. So that's our crude oil to the distiller. Now we need to take care of where the gas is gonna go. Oh, you know what? I wanna, cut this up. I want to make this go into storage first. Where should we put the storage? Maybe down here for now? Really want to build 2 of these. Alright, so we'll have 2 there. So then we'll take that right into here. Okay. Windrose? Yeah, I bought that game. I've played it. It's pretty fun. Thought about streaming that, but I've been into this game more lately. Windrose is amazing. I got the song stuck in my head when you're on the ship, when your crew's singing. Alright, so the pipe goes into that. Then we need a pipe taking it to here. Oh, you know what? I gotta delete that. Yeah, Windrose is what, Sea of Thieves, but, Skull and Bones should have been. Windrose is a great game. Alright, so we got oil coming in, and then we're gonna need storage. for the fuel. I guess we'll just put it right here for now. Okay, so that'll be for our fuel. Connect to that. And then we need liquid dump for the wastewater or whatever. There's a good place. I'm gonna put this a little bit further over, because we'll need it for the wastewater coming from the settlement soon. Seems like a good spot. Yeah, depends on what you're looking for. It's, you know, it's like a survival crafter first, so if you're not looking for that, you might be disappointed. But other than that, it's great. Not fuel, wastewater. Finally beat the first boss. That took me forever because it's Souls-like combat, so. And the guy just kept saying, "Send my best to Davy Jones" or something. It was just so annoying. Alright, so that goes into that. Wastewater. Make sure we got the recipe selected. Wastewater. Alright, so fuel, wastewater, smokestack, crude. Okay. It's gonna take a while. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and change the priorities of these. These all one, and then this will be like that 4. Just want to make sure those get built first. I don't want to select all these pipes to make them urgent, but that should be okay. So we'll get that going. This should be going soon. They deliver the parts, or the materials. 63 workers and 63 free housing. Yeah, it's a lot like Valheim, but, you know, with pirates. I didn't play a ton of Valheim, but people love Valheim. I would go with Windrose. I mean, yeah, I like Windrose. But Valheim's a good game too. I just didn't get too far into it. If you're looking to buy one or the other, I'd buy Windrose. Okay, so we have enough limestone now, so should be okay. We don't have any vehicle parts, or eventually have to make that. I wonder if we should make that now. Yeah, but we're gonna run out of construction materials. I'm gonna wait for the diesel setup to get going. Speed this up. I don't know why we're not getting any. Oh, you know what? I didn't set this to wood. No wonder we're not getting wood. Gosh dang it. Oh, that makes a lot more sense. Because usually we have a surplus of wood. Oh, man. That's a shame. Okay. Now we'll get some wood coming in. Duh. And then, hopefully this will start constructing soon. The problem is everything has to get trucked in until we get conveyors belts set up. Okay, cool. So we got that going first. This is going to be a priority. Wish I can just select these and make them priority. Oh wait, I can't. That's right. Right? No, that's upgrade. So that's not going to be able to do anything if it can't get the oil outputted. Urgent. Urgent. That's one, that's okay. What the heck? Oh, okay. Crude oil. Is that a 2? Yeah, that sounds fun. I like to give Bahamut another go. Yeah, I don't play a ton of co-op, but yeah, I definitely would be interested in some co-op. Our maintenance is going down a little bit. That should be okay, though. Oh yeah, we're gonna need this to be a priority soon, too. But the problem is, we just don't have enough construction materials. Alright, so that's done, but we can't even build any of those at the moment. I don't know what to take next. Probably get some water. Yeah, that's a good idea. Still not having wood, but it should be coming in now. Trucks have somewhere to go with it. 50 months of food. I think iron be stockpiling because we're making more than enough. 24, 9, 2 of those plus 7.5. Yeah, it should be Eastern time zone. Okay, cool. So we got concrete, that's done. We're working on diesel, and then we'll get the rubber, so that's okay. And then we have to get that set up next, yeah, copper. But we have no construction materials. Oh my god, did I not make a smokestack? How did I not do that? Gosh dang it. Okay. See, simple little things and causes problems. Come on, get this done. Only needs 2 more. Alright, we're okay on workers, but eventually we'll turn the beacon back on. Okay, we do have some vehicle parts, so let's go ahead and build some more excavators and trucks. That's going, which is going into that. Which we have selected, which have been... okay. We'll make this a 1. Oops. So I want it to go fuel first, and then this. I mean, this is a priority, but... then this is going to be needed next. Yeah, that was dumb of me. Build a smokestack. Oh yeah, we're running out of trees to harvest. What area do I want to clear out more? This should give us enough room for more farms. Probably gonna need to take off some of this. Okay. Should have enough. Yeah, okay. And do that. Alright. Gives us enough for that. Still not getting a ton of coal. Yeah, I'm out of vehicle parts again. Did I get a... I did, okay. Oh, you know what? I gotta build a, mine tower. Mine control tower. Okay. Okay, and then mining destination. Bump that from the default so that gets done. See how this is going. Okay, so let's... Not gonna get the wastewater going though. Alright, so we got that done. We're not making construction parts 2 yet though. Yeah, let's go and get the fuel station done too. Okay, yeah, sounds good. I'll see you later, GameStar. Yeah, this is gonna get, yeah, it's nowhere for the wastewater to go. Thanks, you too. Alright. And now we're just waiting on construction materials. Use diesel, gotta build the liquid, okay. And then dump that, and then rubber. Probably a priority soon. Oh geez, we got... Oh, they've been transporting it in, that's why. Okay. So this is priority now. Gotta build that. This is important. Oh yeah, that's still sitting there idle. Gosh dang it. Need that built. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on coal for now. I should have done that from the get-go. Just so it's not sitting there idling. Build this. Yeah, no vehicle parts. Yeah, I guess iron's going up, it's just very slow. Okay, cool, so we're dumping that, which is not great for the environment, but... Disable truck port for the new diesel storage. Disable truck import. Okay, so then we gotta make a rubber maker, but which is more important? Yeah, I want to get that going. Okay, go ahead and make the rubber maker. We only really need one. Okay. Now it's starting to narrow off over here. And we'll put it there. A fluid pipe. Let's use this one. I think. Maybe we should. Because one of these I'm gonna take to the gas station that I make over there by the vehicle depot. Yeah, let's go use that one. Okay, so that's our fuel. And we're just gonna do the regular one. So we need, we can't build conveyors yet. And then we need storage. And that's gonna be for rubber. And then we need to take the waste. You know what? Our wastewater's right here. Great. As long as we don't block the road. That's a problem with these pillars. Okay, that should be okay. Alright, so that'll be for the wastewater. Takes care of that. Rubber maker. Copper, gotta keep going. Okay. Fuel station's done. Let's go and get these farms. Actually, I'm gonna do the crop rotation first. Make sure we have good soil fertility. And then we're gonna have to repair the shipyard, which takes construction parts. I need another construction parts, but I don't know. Let's see, what are we making right now? 12, and each one of these takes 6, right? Yeah, okay. So we won't make another one quite yet, because we're gonna need more. We need to expand everything, basically. But we're okay in these right now. But why is iron not going up? Just taking... No, they're both pretty empty. Oh, duh. Because I need to make this a priority. Yeah, we need to be using the conveyor for this. Can't bring the iron over quite yet, but at least this will alleviate some of the problem. There we go. And then change the output for this to iron. This is going to be a little bit more important than the default, but okay. So that should help with that a little bit. Well, how many we got on here? 1, okay. Is this built over here? Yeah, it is. Where's our, try to put it on here. Alright, so we'll get copper coming in. Okay, so that's done. Got that research done. Okay. Well, we're still working on this to get this done. Okay, cool. So the fuel, that's all set up for now. And this will be for rubber. Still okay on maintenance. And we're doing okay on electricity. We're okay on workers. We're starting to build up wood, that's good. I do want to build another one of these. Did I put this the wrong way? No, okay. There we go. Okay. So we still need the coal maker. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and unpause the beacon. We'll pause it again if we need to. Alright, is that everything else built? It's going. And then, so if that gets done... Oh, I need to build another assembly for, vehicle parts. Where should I put this? It's gonna take these two. Now, I'll just put it next to it, I guess. It's gonna get trucked in. And then we'll move it later. Yeah. Maybe I should do it in reverse. Because it's going to take from these two storages here. That way the truck can just go bing, 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 bing. So we're going to move it later. It's just temporary, kind of. Vehicle parts. And then we need storage. 2 seconds here. You know they had that. Okay. I'll wait for that. I'll check back on that. Okay. So this will be vehicle parts, right? Yeah, vehicle parts. Okay. Leave that default for now. Yeah, we have no construction parts. Getting some coal and copper, so we can wait on the copper for a minute for that to build up. We are building this. What's that at? 7. Let's go ahead and speed this up a little bit. Okay, so got the pipes in place. Need to get this done. Make that high. So we'll get some rubber coming in. And they're emptying out the shipyard, which is good. So that'll be gone. This will be gone. Okay. Just want to keep that empty because your ship will go out and come back with materials it finds. I'm gonna bump this. I'll leave that at 8. We'll bump this up to 7. And this is priority 2, so let's bump that up to 3. Yeah, that's my priority right there. Okay. Crude oil to gas to rubber. And then we'll take gas to the fuel station I make over here. But that requires construction parts 2, and we're not even making those yet. Okay. That makes sense. Status quo at the moment. We'll speed this up. Okay, cool. So that's done. Leave that on 2. Okay. And then we just need to make 8 rubber. We got our fuel coming in and wastewater going out. Okay. And then this, that's not being built yet. That's gotta get built. What else am I building? I thought there's something else. Another storage. Produce rubber. Then we gotta get copper going. And then eventually repair the shipyard. That'll be nice. Yeah, I want you guys to really cut these down. Cancel these right now. Cancel that. I want you to guys cut these ones. One, that's okay. One will be over there, one will be there. So now, what are we waiting for? Oh shoot, that needs construction parts too? Duh, that's why we can't make that yet. Okay, never mind, that's not gonna get built until we start making that. But why is this not getting built? What else am I building? That's all built. That can get built. Oh, trucks are pretty busy, that's why. Okay, we still have some free housing. This gets down to 25, we'll pause it until we build more housing. Good on iron, so I'm going to take this guy off here and move him over to the coal. That way we have a surplus of that too. Let's go check on our dumping pile too. Yeah, it's starting to get built up. So right now, what are we waiting on? Make this a priority, I guess. Why isn't that get built? Oh, duh. The trucks are still busy. That's not gonna change it. Yeah, my iron is going down. But I guess it's we'll make enough. We can get all the materials in. That's the problem. Okay, so iron's okay right now. Vehicle parts. I need like 1 for this. So let's make that urgent. Okay. How are we doing for water over here? Okay. So water's not urgent. Let's produce that. Are we producing rubber yet? Oh, we're waiting for coal. That's right. Gosh dang it. Okay. Ah, man. What the heck? 3 hours. God dang it. Should've. Well. Alright. Okay, so what's done? We got the research done. Crop rotation. We'll go ahead and put that in. And then we'll go ahead and start making research on that. Okay. So we'll do potatoes, empty. And then potatoes. That should give us enough food. But we want to get the soil fertility up. Okay. This should be easy. What? The trucks are busy because this is going right from here to here to there. That's not going to get built, so I don't even need to pay attention to that. Speed things up here. Bum, bum. Man, this is taking forever. Produce rubber, gotta make the copper. Ugh. Gotta make vehicle parts. Well, if we get enough construction materials built up, we'll, you know what? I can't even make any trucks yet. I can't do anything. Wish there was a faster speed, because... Oh, there we go. So, copper, vehicle parts, and shipyard. If we get some vehicle parts, we can build some more trucks to help alleviate the traffic. Yeah, that's our, that's where we're stuck right now. At least this is working, that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and put some more trucks. At least 2 more for now. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and pause this beacon. We have way than enough workers, and we only have 32 free housing, so that's okay. We have 42 months of food. What are you doing? Oh, you have nowhere to put your wood. Okay, so that's done. That'll give us more space for wood. Eventually, this will start alleviating as we build more trucks. Oh, vehicle parts is done. So, just gotta wait on copper as soon as we can get enough construction materials and the trucks to not be so busy. Then we gotta repair the shipyard. Ore sorting. We're backed up on dirt. I want to make a... I should make a little small dumping area over here, but that means that they'd bring it over here too. So we're just gonna focus on making sure we get some more trucks coming out. %95 maintenance. If we get 100 construction materials, we'll go ahead and do the shipyard now. So I'm not gonna worry about copper until we alleviate the traffic jam. See how this affects our food. We should be okay with crop rotation. Yeah, that helped. We're up to 88. It's just full. Can you not drop it in there? It's got room. Why don't you drop it in there? Should probably take you off that. Oh, those are the 2 trucks still stuck with iron in them from... Okay, because I took them off this mine tower. How much does it cost to empty them out? Yeah, we'll go ahead and empty these guys. That should help alleviate a little bit. I don't know why they couldn't dump it in there, though. It didn't make any sense. Alright, so we got farms done. Thinking... Yeah, let's go and get the settlement water done. Okay, we're still waiting on the trucks to be not as busy, but... doing okay otherwise. Everything's starting to come up. We get over 100 construction materials in surplus. We'll go ahead and do the shipyard first before copper. So I got 2-line coal. So I took one off iron, but it's getting backed up too. I have nowhere for this copper to go. So I wonder if I should take it off there for now. How are we on limestone? Yeah, let's bring some more limestone in. Alright. So that'll give that copper a break. Let that not get over full on that. Because we don't have copper going yet. Eventually we'll have sand coming in too for better concrete production, which will go in this one probably. Okay. How are we doing on truck production? I think we might get to 100 before we alleviate the traffic problem, so we'll do the shipyard. Because we're okay in copper. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this started. It'll take 35 people once we get the ship fixed. Oh, only 15. Oh, that's when I upgraded, maybe. Alright. So, only gonna take 15. Alright, cool. So, we're on the fastest we can go. But they are taking those construction materials, which is nice. Build this one more. Oh, it's got that done. Nice. Yeah, we got a surplus of wood now. That's good. So we could trade for more concrete if we need it. But I think we're making enough. Well, right now we're just stuck, throttled by our trucks have to bring the materials in because that produces exactly enough for my two assembly to make 2 construction parts go in. Is that done? They didn't say anything about it. Oh, there it is. Duh. Fill with diesel. And, oh, that's right. I forgot I gotta load it with diesel. Alright. Might just make that go away. Alright, I'll put some low speed. So we're gonna need to pipe some this diesel over there. I'm gonna follow this. Right now they're coming here for fuel. Eventually when we get construction materials too, they'll be going to the gas stations. I don't want to block their path. So maybe I should go here. Yes. Yeah, we'll go this way. Yeah, okay, we can stay in this path. And bring it down. No, that's not what I want. That should be good. connect that. Might as well connect these two. Yeah, that should be good. Alright, these are gonna be... need to be urgent. I don't think we have anything else building, but... urgent... urgent... Okay, then we got the, what did we research there? Settlement water, okay, so... probably... I'm gonna go ahead and get these conveyor lifts. I don't use them a ton, but I'd like to have them. Me, 56. Yeah, that's gonna take a minute. Going to speed that back up again. Our iron is not producing well. Once we get construction parts 2, we can get conveyor belts going. Still not alleviating the truck problem, so I'm gonna build another one. Once we get this diesel to the ship, we can start exploring and we're doing okay in coal, so I could probably... we don't have to get rid of it quite yet, and we're okay on wood, so let's leave that going for now until we get conveyor belts fully. Okay, that's fuel going to here, which will go to our generators and fuel the ship. Okay. So let's leave it run for a minute, and then we can load the crew and go explore. I'll go ahead and place this now. I'm not going to build it yet. Thinking right here. I'm just going to pause the construction because I don't need to waste any resources on there yet. We don't have a groundwater pump built yet. Because this is not going to bring in enough water. Yeah, it's barely staying up with the kiln. Okay, we're filling the ship with diesel. I'll go ahead and load the crew because they're just sitting around anyways. So once that's done, and this will alleviate the truck problem a little bit because it'll bring in the gas to the generators. I mean, it wasn't a huge demand, but that's almost all gone. It's only 387 scrap. They took all the bricks. Start eating into our fuel supply though. How much fuel are we making? Probably gonna need another distiller. 27. Oh wait, that's only enough to feed that one. So yeah, we'll expand that when we go along. Let's get copper going first. Okay, so the ship's ready to go. Where should we explore first? Probably... yeah, let's go this way. So then our ship is finally off to find new settlements, new oil rigs and various things. Bring back anything it finds. But our shipyard still has some stuff in it. Done. So we can get started on copper actually now. Or at least plan it out. Okay, I want to figure out something here. I need more iron. At least that. If not more. Then we're going to need steel. Then... Alright, let's cut all this out. That should be good right there. So we'll put... that there, which... we don't need iron there, just copper. Copper there. This will be copper. There. So 24 each of these, okay. Get the smokestack. And the storage. Wait. Maybe I should push it back. Let's copy this. There, I think. Guess we'll have to have the copper electrolysis, which will take both of those. And then we want storage on that too. So then we'll go back to this. So take from them. Actually, oops. Yeah, I can line that up with this then. Right? Yeah, that'll be okay. And then... no, not that. Oh, you know what? I can't build that yet. I don't have any construction parts going yet. So we'll pause that. Let's go and cut this out. But we can at least get the impure copper going. Because we'll need to have the conveyor belts going here. And then we'll need to bring water over. Alright, so we'll just get that going for now. And I also want to get construction parts going. Let me see something here real quick. Okay, that's where that reads. Put that there. I think it'd keep down okay. No, it's gonna take. don't want to block that. You know what? Maybe for now. I really want to cut off the road here. To leave that free too. It's not gonna be enough room. 2, 3. We'll put it here for now. We're gonna have to move it though. So that'll be that. Oh. I didn't put it right. No, that was the right spot. I said this in a different spot, that's all. Alright, so that'd be construction parts too. Let's get some of that going. Let's go ahead and pause this for a minute. Oopsie. I'm gonna build this first. Because without the construction parts too, I can't make the conveyor belt. We're gonna need mechanical parts too. This takes 6 of them. That's exactly what it produces. It's gonna be kind of a mess. Yeah, I'll reorganize these later. Okay, cool, so that's going. 97 maintenance. I should probably make some more trucks. Oh, you know what? Oh, it's still exploring, okay. Collect reward. Location explored. It's brought back some stuff. Let's go see if there's some enemies up there, which we can't attack yet because we don't have guns or anything. Okay, so we're making construction parts too. And then this is making more mechanical parts. So we need mechanical parts for not only vehicle parts, which is taking all of them. We need more electronics obviously too, but we also need it for maintenance. Yeah, no wonder we're draining so quickly. I think we're okay. Electronic parts can... No, you need another one too. Let's go ahead and get that going too. I'll get these all organized later. Okay, at least we'll be better off this way. Okay, yeah, this will help if this gets built, which I only need 13. I only need a couple for the copper. Let's see what we need. And 2 and... Oh yeah, barely anything for that. Well, I also need to bring the water over here. if I can follow this line. Where's our water at? Yeah, right there. Okay. Let's see here. More. Getting attacked. Okay, cool. So we're found enemies there, but we're heading back, so that's good. And we didn't get damaged. Is system marker one stay on? I think so. This is really close to my blast furnace, though. Go up or down, because there's gonna be a lot of lions bringing stuff in for that. Water's right there. If we go down to like right here. That'd be problematic. Huh, how should I do this? I want to follow this line, but I don't want to interfere with my blast furnaces, which are going to be right in here anyways. So yeah, let's go down. We'll go up. Yeah, that's better, okay. Let's go down to this line. Come across this way. So we don't need to be making it harder on ourselves for future planning. Why do you have to put a pillar right there? Okay. There we go. Alright. Where am I going with this? I haven't even built the water yet. I'm just gonna build that for the moment. Let's go ahead and delete this one so we can connect to it again. Okay, and then we'll go to water. Okay, we're gonna wanna... Oh gosh, these take 40. It's gonna take a minute. But at least we'll have it set up. Okay, we'll make sure we're not gonna get blocked by anything. There's plenty of room to go. Okay, so we'll build there. Then we'll need storage. That should be plenty enough room. And then pipe. And then let's keep bringing this back. Probably go up. Yeah, because I don't want to put some more farms over here. Let's go delete some more of this. Go up. Let's stay away from that. I guess we'll this way. That should be okay. There we go. Alright, so that should be good. And then we could take water from here once we get that built to here. Okay. Alright, then we got that research done, so let's go ahead and back in here. I don't want to build that yet. I want to get everything else. Then we'll start needing the lab equipment. Go ahead and get the vegetable, I guess. Is our ship back yet? No, not yet. Alright. Okay. 93 maintenance. Set alarm on this one. Notify if less than 25. Okay, that should be okay. We don't have to worry about the oil right now. Let's see what else we want to do. We want to do the same thing for over here. Well, I don't want to do it yet because there'll be an alert now. So that's gonna be water. Come on. Need more trucks. I think we're pulling in now. Yeah, there we come. Okay. These are our lifts. In case we need them. No, it didn't do that. Okay. Yeah, this is... Speed this up. Okay, cool. So we have 2 electronics, 2 mechanical parts, 2 construction 1 parts, 1 construction 2 parts, and 1 vehicle parts. So that should be okay. This pipe's gonna take a lot of construction materials. So we'll we're gonna do copper until this gets built. Because we can take copper from here, but it's gonna run out. Alright. Shipyard's too full. Because I got all that copper. Gosh dang it. Yeah, I gotta get that copper built. If I could explore somewhere else with all that stuff. Okay, so we're blocked from this path. Let's go here. So yeah, copper is a real priority at the moment. So we'll take, speed it up a little bit, in here to here. But that's getting built, so we can go ahead and unpause this stuff. There we go. Well, you know what? We don't have pin down here yet. Oh no, here it is. Okay. Let's move it up so we can see it. Oh, gee, you know what? I gotta check something real quick. Ba-bum. Get out of there. I wasted a bunch of my time there. That's okay. What's this? Yeah, a little over. Oh well. So we're gonna build that when we get the parts. We're not making any yet. Yeah, our trucks are so busy they can't take it from there. I don't know why I'm doing this. Can't even build it yet, but it's super close. It's gonna block things off. Yeah, this needs to get moved because that's way too close. It's gonna block things up. Just have to go around that. Yeah, that's problematic. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and move this now. It was a bad placement. That's that. I'll leave it there, but I'm not gonna use the conveyor belt till it gets moved. So we have to alleviate the truck problem first. Okay, on workers. Gonna need more housing eventually here. Just gonna make this the lowest for now. That way I know it's there. But speed it up. Okay, what do we find? Ah, I found a damaged cargo ship. Nice. Alright, go ahead. Go there. Yeah, I should have just put this backwards right here. But I didn't want to block this main path, but... oh well. We'll leave it there for now. Oh man, down at 34 months. We're gonna need another farm. Let's do the reverse of that then. Do that, that, that. Wait. Oh, I did it wrong, that's why. What's it doing right now? Potatoes. Okay, that's fine. This will be potatoes. This will be this. Okay, so then this will be... okay, now we got it the right way. Location explored. Oh, there's an oil rig. Cool. And then we're out of gas, we're heading back home. Alright. How are we doing on... We're not using copper yet. It's pretty good on... oh, you know what? I haven't even been... I forgot. Oh, jeez, I forgot about the iron. See, that's what happens. You get distracted. And alright, so let's take off one of these guys. Put it back on iron now that we're going through it. Alright, let's slow it down a little bit. Okay, so we got one on each of these at the moment until we get more vehicle parts. Oh, there's nobody on copper because we're not making any copper yet. We got 2 on limestone. Yeah, we're okay still. We'll leave it like that. Alright, so we got vegetable farming done, so we'll need another farm eventually. I guess I'll go ahead and do these ramps. I don't use them too often, but it's better to have it than not. Get our ramp going up pretty good. This is about gone, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, we're reaching about the max of 1 generator, so I'm glad I put that other one. Here, alright. We'll explore over here. Once we get this done, we'll start making some copper and pure copper. Yeah, it's so much to do. Oh gosh, the trucks are finally stable. That's cool. Build one more. Alright, we'll speed it up. Things should be starting to get flow now. Okay, we got that research done. What should we research now? I guess we'll go with this. Nowhere near ready to use that, but this is going to be a priority. Just need that built first. And then these will be needed. And this is like, yeah, we'll leave it at default for now. Yeah, this is gonna be a. We'll make it 2. Not super worried about those because we can't make it regular copper yet. Ah! Thought I saw the first construction 2 parts. Okay, found some loots. Let's go ahead and go here. Oh, you know what? I gotta build another, I can throw these ramps. Alright, I wanna make another storage. Right? Yeah. Okay. Getting low on concrete blocks. Chemical parts coming back, that's good. We're good on electronics, I think. Yeah. Alright. You know what? We gotta build a captain's office too. cancel that. Put that there. Just gonna pause that until we have that. Then we need water. Let's pause that because we have no water yet. Okay. Okay, location explored. And then, yeah, we gotta head back for fuel. Cancel that, 'cause I always forget to build storages off the ore sorting plant. Like there are roads they're taking. But there's nothing here. Alright, so that'll be for iron ore. We should then take it to the blast furnaces. Currently one. Okay, this. So we got the advanced concrete. Let's get everything else done. It's for impure copper. Impure, okay. I don't want to pause that yet until this is built, because then I can just pull off here if I need to for some water. I'm still not making any construction materials too, though. And all I need is oh, I don't have any construction part 1. Duh. Alright, so the ship's back. Gotta get this copper out of here. You know what? That's a good idea. Let's go ahead and build this. Copper. There we go. I'll get that copper out of there so we can get some of this other stuff out. Let's go down here. How are we doing on iron now? Yeah, we got nothing. We have scrap though still, so that's good. I wonder if I should make another excavator now. Yeah, okay, so we're still doing good on stuff here. Probably put it on iron if it gets done before we need it there. Eventually we'll have conveyors taking this to where it needs to go. I think we have 2 on limestone, right? We need 2? Still okay, I guess. Yeah, it's still balanced, kind of. Okay, cool, we're getting some of that copper out. 27. Let's go ahead and turn the beacon back on. Let's go and bump this back up to default. Okay. Oh, cool. We found another settlement. Are we heading back now? Yeah. Let's see what they got. Trade that for that. Alright. Yeah, see, we're out of water just making concrete blocks. Don't want to build a ton of those. Want to get this done. If we get a surplus of construction parts, we'll eventually start making this, I guess. Go here! Go here! Nope. So, and we have a bunch of copper anyways, so it's not an immediate thing. We'll have everything laid out. Wait, what's it take? 30? Cool, anyways, so I'll just go ahead and pause it so they can build it. Make it a, let's make it a 10. And the priority scale. Okie. That's a, yeah, because we need that. That's alright. Speed it up. Okay, and location explored. Or no, they're back, right? Yeah, they're back. Alright, speed it up. Yeah, we still got some copper in here. Oh, jeez. Forgot I made that. Alright, let's go and put that on here. And then we'll kind of let these vehicle parts build up again after we build the other truck. Now we're losing some unity. Because of health, probably. Because of pollution, I mean. Yeah. That's alright. And still got a ton of stuff we can't get off there. Let's go explore somewhere else. Let's check this right here. And then we're done with making vehicles for the moment because we're stable. So hopefully we can make some construction parts. And this will be a priority. Let's make this urgent. So I want all my construction part 2s to go there instead of everywhere else. Alright, so we got transport balancing done. Let's just get everything else done. New refugees! Oops. Yeah, we only have... Alright, we better pause this. We have enough workforce, but we only have 13 houses? And they usually bring in more than 13, I think. You should take one off limestone, put on coal. Problem is, it's a little bit further out from the ore sorting plant. Well, I guess not too much more. Yeah, let's get some coal coming in. Okay. Nope. Nothing yet. Iron is just sad right now. It's depleting, and it's just because we're not getting iron into the furnace. Oh geez, we're in battle. Hopefully we can escape here without taking damage. Okay, good. It's getting up there. Oh, that's right, I unlocked the advanced concrete parts. Hey, what's going on? So I don't need that. Alright, so that'll still be built going up. Alright, so we'll go ahead and unpause this again because that's almost done, it looks like. Yeah, cool. Then we got 38 months of food. Where am I from? I'm in the US. Eastern time zone. Alright, so that's still no construction parts too. That'll get built. Yeah, so we're back on 3. Are we headed back in? Yeah. Alright, cool. So we can go explore again. Oh, nice! From Russia? That's cool. Alright, we're starting to drop some maintenance here. So I don't need to be building anything else. Gonna run out of iron soon. Alright, let's see where else we can explore. Can't get there. Let's go up here. Nice to meet you too. Okay. Put it back on 3. Yeah, we gotta get these conveyor belts built. Are we getting any coal coming in here? Drink vodka every day, like a good Russian. I don't mean it. Like a good Russian. That's Russian. Yeah, Russians like their vodka. Alright, so we gotta build that, but we're not getting any water to it yet. And we have no water here. So, just hoping I can get some construction parts here. Oh, it is working. Oh, yeah? You want to live in the US? get 40 construction parts too, I can get this built. Alright, so research is done. Let's go and get these, even though I don't have the captain's office built yet. Build blast furnace. That's with metal caster and smokestack can enable a recipe for copper ore processing. That should be checked off. Why is that not checked off? Now we're in battle again. Okay. Got to get away from there. Most of them are. Oh, geez, man. Trucks are filling this up instead of the conveyor belt because I don't have that built yet. Maybe I should make this urgent. Getting construction parts is coming in. I should just wait for this like this. Slow it down for a second here. Can't build this yet, but no, connect. No, stop. Connect. Tree harvester has no trees to harvest. I'm gonna make this as easy as I can. We'll go there, but that would block off a... Oh, there we go. That way they can still get underneath it. Okay, what's going on again? Tree harvester has no trees to harvest. You got all those trees already? Gosh dang. So they cleared that out. Where do we need to clear out next? That's all done. There's nothing there, right? No. Clear this out up here. Let's go and get rid of this a little bit. Now let's make a bunch. So we can cut that. So yeah, now we're out of iron. Make this urgent. So if I can get that flowing, that'd be better. Make the bump that down to a 1. We're getting low on concrete blocks. Got plenty of trees. I'm gonna go ahead and trade for some. Kind of help alleviate that. This one? No, this one. Yeah, it should be fine for now. Okay, where's our ship? Is it coming back? Yeah. There it comes. No damage. Yeah, I have no room for all this stuff. Alright, let's go that way. We're about halfway there. Need 20 more, but I kind of want to get these done too, so that I can even out the iron problem. Because we make plenty enough. We can get the iron and coal to it easily enough. Trucks are stable. Yeah, we're getting low on our... Well, that food market can only hold so much, too. We're down to 30 months. Demand. Stored supply left 30. Yeah, that's what that's based off of. Okay. We got 2 farms, so it should be fine. So we'll speed it up again. Probably could pause this actually. Unless we just want those other 18 refugees. Yeah, we'll let that happen, then we'll pause it. Oh good, we got that built. Nice. So we can feed the iron right to that. We'll go ahead and do that. I don't ever use that too much though. Not until late game. Okay, now we're starting to kind of do okay. Let's bump that back up to a priority. Yeah, let's go and pause that now, because we got 60 workers free and 59 housing space left. Okay, he's exploring. Okay, we're gaining unity again, so that's good. Alright, iron should be going up. Yeah, that's right, there's no water coming in here yet, so that's why we're not making any concrete. Ah, battle again? Gosh dang it. Okay, cool, we got away. There's enemies all over the place. That means... I guess there's a couple places left to explore, okay. How many more do I need? 6 more, and that'll be done. Get some water, which gives us 60, I think. 48, dang it, okay. But we only need it. We'll need it for the farms eventually, but we only need it for this, which takes 6 when the other one's a 12. Yeah, okay, we're pretty good then. So let's go ahead and build a pipe because that's almost done. Yeah, let's do it back here. Nah, I don't like that. I want it to come off right here, but I can't get it. Unless I just wait a minute, but... that'll do. Alright. Make that urgent, because that's almost done. Or it is done. Nice. We'll get some water pumping. And that'll take us to there. Okay, so we'll be able to complete this. And then we'll go ahead and delete this. See, it's built already. I'll slow it down a little bit. Let's go ahead and delete that and that. That'll give us back a little bit. So it'll give us plenty enough water for what we need right now. So we get more construction 2 parts, we'll be able to build some more conveyors. I think everything's equaling out a little bit now. Eventually we're going to research this, but once we do that you need materials for these. So I want to get all these little ones down first. Okay. Start actually making copper now. Oh, where's our ship? We should go explore. Let's go check out here. Alright. Is any water flowing in? There we go, I'm getting some water. Alright, I'll be back in just like a minute. 2 minutes, guys. I'll leave it playing, it should be alright. Okay, nothing bad's happened, that's good. Alright, so what are we doing? Getting some construction materials built up. I need to get to bring coal over. Yeah, let's see. No, I don't need that pinned. My headphones? They're not great. I just bought them. They're a cheap pair. My kids keep breaking my better pair, so... Okay. Alright. So yeah, we're down to 28, but they can only hold that much too. Probably need another food market. I'll wait until... Yeah, we paused the beacon, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we're plenty good on iron there. I want to bring the coal over. Which I'll put this coal. I know I'm not gonna have enough to do this, but let's get this started. Okay, it's still on the move. Okay. PC. Yeah. I'm gonna make this straight. Should I go up now? Wait, copper is... Oh, that's copper. Okay. Let's put it here. You PC gamer as well? Well, I could probably just pull another line off for that. We'll just go up here to the copper and the iron. Leave myself a little bit of room here. Yeah, this is gonna take a ton of materials. Maybe I should move down a little bit. Alright, so tree planting is done. Yeah, 'cause this one's up further. Okay. Yeah, I'll go this way. I'm gonna pull it down right here. Alright, there we go. That's gonna take forever to build. I don't have all the materials for that. 150 construction, 2 parts. Yeah. No, I'm not a big FPS guy. My son plays those games. Open world survival craft, city builder, automation, factory game. I like Windrose. I don't know if you. That's a cool game. What's I gonna do? Research. Don't want to do that yet. What else do we have left? Let's go ahead and get this done. So we'll make this a bit of priority. 2. And then you're heading back home. United States, Eastern time zone. So that's all good. Probably don't need this anymore. We'll leave that running until we get the coal over, so it's closer for them. Okay. Yeah, we're getting a good surplus of construction 1 part, so that's good. This is full. Take one of these off of here. Let's go check everything else. Yeah, it needs to go on limestone. If we can get the coal there, our iron production will go up. We should be making rubber. Should be plenty enough than what we need. Oh, but it needs coal too, that's right. Alright, I'm gonna trade for some more. There we go. Yeah, same name as the Twitch. I think I have it linked on Twitch. City Survivor Gaming. forestry can yeah, we'll try and plant some trees later. Oh, great, thank you. Alright, that's where, oh, that's why we were low on rubber. That's where all the rubber went. Awesome, thank you. Oh, wait, where are we at? It's coming back in. I'm making copper, right? Still a logistics problem getting stuff in. Alright. So where else would we explore? Let's go down here. Alright. Good on water. So good on maintenance. Yeah, this is just suffering. There's some copper. Anything else should be good. Yeah, we're down to 26 months. Yeah, I just started again. I've been, haven't done it in a while. Yeah, that's full of iron. Speed this up. Yeah, I haven't put any videos out or streamed in a while. Hopefully we'll get some more limestone coming in. I put more people over there. For streaming? Just regular job. Build blast furnace. Why is this not? Oh, that's right. Dang it! I forgot. It want me to build 2 rainwater things. Oh well. Oops. We'll build those. I like playing these games. I thought I'd start. Well, I started my channel in 23-ish. Then I just fell out of making videos and stuff, and then come back and oh, we're gonna need another generator probably. We're already up to a megawatt. Alright. Go ahead and get the other housing done. Get this done. Ah, we're getting there. So we get that done. Yeah, I can read your shop and read that. I know about affiliate. Yeah, I just started up again, so I you know, Yeah, I can read your chat, but yeah, I started up again. This is my first stream in like, I don't know, maybe like a year. And same for you, YouTube, putting on things on there. So yeah, I like to make affiliate, but I just started up again, so. Alright, so we're still on the move for the ship exploring. This will be great when we get all this coal coming over here. You can hear me, right? Okay. You scared me there for a second. Alright, location explored. Another cargo ship. So we're headed back home. What the heck? It's making copper. Build blast furnace with metal caster. Wait, no, it's working. Blast furnace with metal caster and smokestack to enable recipe for copper ore processing. Is that bugged? What the heck? Maybe that's why my copper's plating so fast. Shoot. No, I've been making it. What the heck is going on? Is this not connected? Did I put this the wrong way? Yeah, that comes out of there. What did I do wrong? Looks like it's connected. Huh, no wonder my copper's been depleting so fast. Yeah, gosh dang it, what did I do wrong? Because this is working, but these aren't working right? Copper. Pure copper. Alright, well I guess I gotta delete these, because this doesn't seem to be working. Oh, thanks. Yeah, it's not my first day. Well, it's my first day back streaming. I haven't streamed in a while. So somehow these molten channels didn't align properly. Thanks, though. I really appreciate that. I try to make my stream the best, but I know there's still some more tweaks I can do. Molten channel. Why did this not work? That's weird. Did I put these backwards? No, that's right. Let's go and use some Unity to get this cleared out. Yeah. Alright, so molten channel. Molten channel. Molten channel. They say sounds #1 and then video, but yeah. Why? Why? But why? But why? Why won't you take it? It's right there. It's connected. Because it comes in here and it comes out here. What the heck? Wait a second. Oh my god. I'm an idiot. Oh, for the love of God. Oh gosh. That's not good. Yeah, I'll check it out. Alright, so I need to empty this. And then this thing. Okay, no wonder I wasn't using copper. Ah, there we go. That's such a stupid thing. Alright, so we're docked. I can't reach that, or that, or that. We can go up here, though. Yeah, so I'm out of copper. Which means electronic parts will drop. We're okay on those. We should be able to make this up. We're okay on that. Gosh dang it, how did I do that? Once we get some copper in, we'll be able to make copper. Ah, there we go. We finally making copper? What user ID? Discord? I think it's just City Survivor. Let me check. What? Oopsie. Alright. Okay, so we got all this done. That done, that done, that done. I'm multi-streaming, so I can't multi-chats. I have to get the Twitch, but it's just City Survivor. City Space Survivor. Okay. Pause. Coal maker. Alright, so that's done. Gotta build a fuel station. Okay, we gotta do the build. Oh, let's go ahead and unpause this then. And then we need to build that. Okay, then we need a fuel station. No, not there. Down here. But Maybe I should put it up here somewhere. I gotta bring the fuel line up. Well, maybe I'll put it over here. So they still gotta come all the way down here. It'd be better if it was up here somewhere. Maybe here? Yeah, they all kind of pass through right here. It's still kind of... I'll put it here. Yeah. Hang on, give me a second. Bum, 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 bum. Oh god, we're under attack. That might not be the right one. Oh well. Alright. I can keep back the... Alright, did we take any damage? No. Alright, so we got that research done. Let's go ahead and get this one done. Oh yeah, I can delete these now. Fuel station. Build new the updated housing. Oh no. This one. And what's the other thing we got? Oh yeah, the sign. Build water facility. Oh, yeah, down here, fuel station, that's right. Gotta connect that up. Fluid. Alright, I'll check it. Alright, there we go. That way we'll have our one fuel station there. Fuel station. Oh, we gotta take care of slag. Coming back in here now. Alright, slag. Loose. Yeah? Is it Seraphim? Is it Seraphim? That's all I see. Fuel station. Slag water facility. Okay. Is there anything else we can explore? So that's almost done. Oh man, we're running out of coal. 21. Yeah, we're running out of everything. Alright, I need another excavator. Yeah, is it Seraphim? That's what I see. Fuel station. Yeah, then we gotta do the research too. I'm gonna go ahead and pause this. See, I got distracted and didn't make any more excavators. Let's make this a priority. Because we're stable on vehicles, but... going through fuel pretty quick. Let me check. Yeah, I did. Did you get it? Alright, let's speed this up. Oh shoot, now we gotta, never mind. Hook this up. So we got the water facility. Oh, I guess, alright. We gotta hook that up. So for water... There we go. So, let's just go ahead and go right here. Yeah. What is your problem? So that'd be the water. Okay, so retaining walls is done. Let's go ahead and do the stacker. Alright. So that's that. Retaining wall. Okay. Then we need one to take the wastewater. Let's go. Can't go over the housing. No. Come on. Alright, there we go. Let's take this way. I don't know if I want that right there. Location explored, on the move. Yeah, let's come down this way, I guess. Then we'll shoot off this way. I go over it? I guess I can. Oh jeez, I got that excavator waiting. There it is, okay. No, I don't want that. Hang on. There. Elevator waste. Let's see, location explored. Alright, so another cargo ship. We're on the move. And then the research. Yeah, we already knew that was done. Oh, geez, we got this excavator. I keep forgetting. Oh, okay. So fuel station is done. So we need to assign somebody to that. Loose storage with slag. That's drag the right, left. Needed that so we can crush some. What's the other thing? Captain's office. We gotta unpause that. And then Okay, research lab. I'm gonna do that. What was the other thing I was gonna do? Excavator, right. Okay. So we're plenty good on iron. Let's see what we need over here. Coal, we need coal. Lots and lots of coal. Alright, so we got that. We need another excavator for sure. Let's go ahead and build another one. Yeah, gotta get this. Wait, the coal's done. Oh, so no wonder we don't have any coal. Oh, cool. So we got that going. We pulled the pull some coal from here. All right. So that'll do that. Cool. Yeah. Need copper, iron. We're down to 25 months food supply. But do we have any potatoes? No. So that's legitimate. Okay. You know what? Let's go ahead and take this guy off here because we got plenty of iron. Let's put him on coal for now, but then we'll probably switch him over to copper. So I'll take care of that. And then Captain's office. Once we get all these other little researches done, we'll do the research too. Okay. Alright, so this is done. So we need to activate Fuel Saver. We're making enough unity, so that's okay. But I'm gonna turn that off now after I get that done. Maybe we'll turn on maintenance for now. I think that's more important. Okay. Excavators almost done. Let's check on this. Yeah, limestone's cool. Coal's restocking after that long conveyor belt. No, it's not. Some gaps there. So we'll put it on coal. Yeah, I know I need to do some stuff to spruce up the Twitch stream. That'll come. I just wanted to kind of get the first one out of the way because I haven't streamed in a while. So, thank you. I'll look at that more later in the community. I appreciate it. Mechanical parts. Stabilized. Get on workers. Wait. We're going through a lot of fuel. That makes 27. We might need... Well, that's not what we might need. We do need some more. So maybe I'll put that back on. But no, maintenance is dropping so fast. I gotta be careful about the maintenance. We got all the realism settings on, so... But we are gonna need some more oil pumps. I guess we'll go this way. Nope. Yeah, so we'll get some more oil coming in. And distiller. There you go. Alright. Distiller. I want to put it here, but it's going to block it. But if I put it here, it's kind of going to block the road. But maybe I won't worry about it quite yet. Can't get it here. I think that's okay. And then we'll just pipe that in there. Oops. Smokestack. And, oh shoot. No, I can't do that. That's what I was blocking. Cancel. 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 Basic distiller. Just gotta get the wastewater out. Alright, that'll make sense there. Okay. Pipe. Pipe. Smokestack. Pipe. Alright, so where's my wastewater? It's right here. Perfect. So that'll take care of more diesel. Rubber's still good. You didn't see my message? Alright, so that's done. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get this research going. Oopsie, that was not good. Okay, there we go. So my ship is docked. Let's see what I can explore. Oh, there's plenty to explore down here. Wait, how did that all open up? Yeah. Okay, I got that other excavator. Probably need to put it on iron. We're gonna run out. Eventually, I mean, we're so good on that. We're still good on everything else for the most part. Potatoes are dropping pretty quick. Oh, that's not what I wanted to check. It was over here. So we're gonna okay. We need to get. We have nothing on copper. We gotta take these off. Let's go and put it on here. I'm gonna make one more, obviously. Okay. Now. Oh, you know what? I gotta set some stuff up here. Notify if less than 25. Less than 50. It's left. So we can tell by that. Okay, wastewater goes here. Oh, it's on that one, okay. That's that. Okay. We got our fuel station. That's right, it's still there. Okay. Why aren't we making a ton of potatoes? Our fertility is up there. Maybe it's too much. Yeah, it's at 100%, which is good. We'll keep an eye on it. Well, maybe we need another farm. Loose stacker. Train tube. Oh, this goes right there. Maybe I'll leave an extra space. Okay. Let's go and let's see. Potatoes and let's go and do that. Potatoes, green. Just so we have enough, then we'll get the other foods introduced. Ah, that's not what I wanted to do. No, I don't like that. There we go. That's done. So we got all our coal coming in, which is great. We got our iron going to that one. We need to bring our copper over and our limestone. Oh, geez, we have 267 construction parts too. Heck yeah, we have plenty of stuff to do that. Let's get that going. This is our copper. You know what, though? Probably should put containers so I get it out of the sorting machine first. Or storage, I mean. Put one here for that. So that'll take our copper, which we don't really have much of. No, and then we'll take the copper. Can't tell if that's... Nope. Yeah, trucks are starting to get busy. Probably just need to make some more trucks. Yeah. Okay, we can get that other excavator. Let's make a couple extra trucks here. What do we need that on? Copper, I think. No, we got one on copper. Let's put some more on coal for now. Oops, I only got one. What was I thinking? Nope, one more truck. Okay. So everything's going good. Starting to go good now. Researching that. Captain, that's all done. I'm still good on workers. Eventually I'll put a gas station over by the other one. Okay, he's in battle now. Let's see if we can get out of there without taking damage. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and put another gas station over here. Yeah. I clicked it. I clicked it. Come on. What is this again? Fuel, that's right. Come on. Why won't you do what I want you to do? Oh, I didn't. Oh. Okay. Fuel. Let's take it all the way over here. That's the best idea to feed off of that line instead of that line. But that should be right, because this only takes like 8 out of 27, which is, yeah. So that's okay. Let's run the move. Well, our rubber got paused because of this. But should be okay. I still want to make that thing. Oh, but they're so busy. Gosh dang. Okay. We got more trucks coming. Let's go and speed this up a little bit. Yeah, we're getting low on food. This is going to be a priority. Alright, here's our ship, but I don't think it got damaged, no. Alright, so we just got these last two. Well, no, we got a couple spots to go. Can we reach that? Concrete block, okay. Wait, is copper done already? Gosh dang, that was fast. We're gonna need another settlement soon. But we're low on construction part 1, so I'll wait on that. Still have enough workers. Oh geez, we need a generator. Gosh dang. Wasn't even paying attention. That's how this game is. Just you get focused on one thing and then like there's other problems you're not noticing going on. Okay, so this will be number 3. And this is gonna be a urgent thing, I think. That's pretty close. Well, I guess we have some room. That's gonna be more than the default. Yeah, everything's in decline. Oh god, that's gonna take forever. Let's mark this down for now. Because that's gonna take 149. Oh, wait, this needs to get done first. Shoot, no wonder I'm not getting copper line down there. That'll help, but we're stable again, which is nice. So what's my priority? That. Oh, this is done, nice. Bump this up to 2, it's not super important. Maybe I'll bump it to 4. 5's good. Yeah, everything's just tanking. Oh, dang it. Losing power. Okay, and what should we do next? Probably maintenance. Yeah, let's go with another maintenance. Alright, so... Oh. Go ahead and skip. Gosh dang it, come on. Can't do that yet. The only thing we have left is a couple things. Alright, and then, come on. This is super important. Pay the Unity to get that there. Come on. It's 800 each, just gotta fire on. Oh man, no, it should be able to still get fuel. As soon as I got those, I'm gonna pop that in there though. Yeah, it's waiting on fuel day. Alright, this is urgent. Yeah, that fuel's gonna be emerging. Ah, that. Gosh dang, can't even talk. So many things can go wrong, and then yeah, we're okay. Oh well. So we got the food situation starting to get taken care of. This should be taken care of itself. Well, we need another iron, but still, this should be plenty enough. 24. Goes into... Oh. No, we still have 2 of those. 9 plus... 15, so, 20... Oh, it's exactly what I'm making. Duh. So yeah, this will be another priority. Not priority, but it's another thing we need. super important though yet. Okay. So, yeah, that's our next step. How are we doing on well, we gotta make lab equipment first. Okay. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I wanted to check. Still got a little bit to do. Dang. What do I need, Okay, I do need another assembler, I know. Oh no, I need an assembler too. So let's put this here for now. This stuff's gotta get moved. Ah, we're in battle too. Okay, thank God they got out of there without getting damaged. Alright. This is gonna bump down to 10. It's gonna be 11. Well, actually, you know what? It's fine because I use construction parts too. But as long as I make it urgent, it'll get done. Oh, good. That's done. Okay, let's check on the loose storage for the Cool, that's done. So we'll get some copper flowing. Maintenance is down to 90. Who's on copper? Just one? Limestone seems pretty good, but what do they got? Just one. Okay. And then coal. I might pull someone off coal for a minute. So I got freaking 4 over there. They had 5, but it's gonna take all that copper out of there to get through this line. Okay, so we're okay in power now. It's still going to eat into our gas. So this is going to be super important. Get this going. But... we're starting to get some more construction part 1s. That's good. Yeah, it's very low priority, so... Alright, so maybe that'll get done. What else did I have that I wanted to build? Alright, so we're docked. Still got too much stuff on here. Um, Alright, where else can we explore? That's blocked, that's blocked. We can go there. Got about all the explorers we can at the moment. Yeah, that took no time at all. I think that's all I can research. It's everything. Well, I know we can't do that yet, but I'm going to put it there. I think all my excavators are signed. Yeah. Down to 90 maintenance. That's a low priority. That's built. Okay, cool, 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 cool. Let me unpause this stuff. It'll take me there. I need some coal. No, what the heck? I hate when I do that. No, I want the other side. Well, yeah, just like that. There we go. Okay. Then... now I'll take it off here. Yeah, that should be okay. Okie dokie. That'll buffer that. Still can concrete, you can always trade with those for wood because we're fine on that. Vehicle parts, copper. We got bounce back copper. We're gonna have to build another one. What's taking copper? Just some electronic parts, I thought. 6, 12, but then make so 12. That takes 3. Okay, so that leaves a remainder of 9. Which goes into vehicle parts, which leaves a remainder of 7. Okay, so we're still, copper can wait a minute. Hopefully we'll get some more fuel coming out. You know what, we can go ahead and do this now. Because we have the stuff. Alright. Gonna mark this stuff too. Alright. Exploring! Of course. It's in battle again. We're blocked off again. Don't get damaged. We can't afford to repair you. So I think that's all I can explore now. Because I don't think I can reach those. Too far. Yeah, so that's all exploring we can do until we get ship armor and weapons. But we'll be able to get a cargo ship and get this oil rig up and going, running soon. Okay, and well, Gonna need more housing. Oh, got that done. Got that done. Power generation and advanced diesel. Cool. Housing. You know what? We can just upgrade. But yeah, because we're gonna need more workers. More people needed. Okay, now that things have stabilized, I think we'll leave it off here and pick it up here next time. It's not in a doom spike. We're, well, still kind of recovering, but we're getting there. Because we got 2 distillers going, we're getting the other iron going, then we'll get more copper going. And we'll move these eventually. We should have enough food coming in. We gotta get the slab equipment going. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna leave it there. Thanks for watching. We'll probably pick it up tomorrow. So, tune in tomorrow. Catch it out. Watch it. I can't talk. Alright, catch you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.